A very beautiful Thursday. We wish you from Puerto La Cruz, from Tenerife, from Paradise. Wow, so high ocean. Check this out. Wow. And we are heading for Playa El Boyullo. I want to walk there. But let's do it as a time trail. So 14, 18, and let's go slowly, not rushing, normal walk. Playa Boyullo, you know, it's behind Playa Martianes. Let's go. Hey, yep, sweet 25 degrees. Oh no, wow, somebody heard my request, you know. So maybe we can see moving all those parts of this statue. Thank you guys, thank you. Gracias, chicos. The largest lake. Peaceful situation, lovely. So how to get to Playa El Boyullo? Playa El Boyullo is over there. So we are going to walk that way. Traditional walk. Check this out, how aggressive this air is here. El Niño is curious. Yeah, it's a nice view. Playa Martianes. So high here. Oops. I will need to go over there. Okay, let's see the time. 14:32. Come on. Let's see the view from here. Yeah, lovely. The end of the main road. Now we are going down. A bit quiet walk finally. And 14:44. Nice number. Let's see if my favorite sentence is still here. Yeah, still here. Más amor, por favor. Sí, señor. Very nice to be here again. In paradise. With platanos. They don't call them bananas here, they call them platanos. And the sweetest are the smallest one. Psst, it's a secret. and going down to Barranco, and then it's a short distance. This is the place where people feed these lizards, so they are waiting here. Check this out, so many of them. A big one, yeah. Male. Nino, come here, come. Let's have some short rest to give him water. Up. Goodbye. And some energy for me as well. Ruby and Stefan was here. Fran and Hazy. 5 minutes break, then we can continue. Up. There we are. We can see Playa El Boyullo, but we are not there, still not there. We have to go around and then use some stairs down. Yeah, it's open and beautiful. Check this out. For swimming. Yes, let's go there. Of course, having dogs is illegal, so El Nino has to stay in his special bag and he cannot touch the sand. Don't worry, local people, I will not break any rules here, okay? Beautiful beach with a small restaurant and toilets. Perfect timing because waves are really very nice, very pleasant. Shallow water, you can walk far away and swim over there. Sometimes waves are really big, so they don't allow people to go too far. Not today, just lovely, 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 lovely beach and waves. Okay, let's go there. So now we are walking down.